Hello friends! If you're looking to strengthen your understanding of English grammar, then this video is for you. Today, we are going to learn about articles. Articles are small words, but they have a significant role in making our sentences clear and meaningful. Let's get started. There are three articles in English: a, an, and the. Types of articles. A and an are called indefinite articles, and they are used for general references. For example, a pen. It can be any pen, not a specific one. An orange. It can be any orange. Any orange can be taken from a group of oranges. The is a definite article used when we talk about something specific. For example, the book. It's about a particular book, not any book. And the doctor. It's about a specific doctor. Usage of a and an. A and an are used before singular nouns. An is used before vowel sounds. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Let's see some examples. An apple, an egg, an inkpot, an owl, an umbrella. A is used before consonant sounds. There are 21 consonants. All the letters except vowels are known as consonants. For example, a boy, a kite, a park. Use of the. The is used for something specific or already mentioned. For example, let's go to the park. Here, a group of people are going to a particular park which they have already mentioned. The sun rises in the east. Here, the sun is unique. And it is also used before some proper names. It can be the names of oceans, seas, rivers, canals, deserts, group of islands, mountain ranges, or a very few names of countries which include words like republic and kingdom, or before the names of certain books. Let's see some examples for these. The Pacific, the Brahmaputra, the Sahara, the Alps, the Sun, the Ramayana, the Suez Canal, and the UK. Things to remember. Let's look at some special cases. The following words start with a consonant letter, but pronunciation begin with a vowel sound. An hour, an honest person. The words hour and honest begin with a vowel sound, as the initial consonant H is not pronounced. Similarly, an X-ray and an MBA. Now let's check the next case that start with a vowel letter, but pronunciation begin with a consonant sound. A 1 rupee note. Here, 1 begins with the consonant sound of W. Similarly, a university. Here, university begin with the consonant sound that of Y. And some other examples are a useful pen and a Europe. Let's test what we have learned with a quick activity. Fill in the blanks with the correct article. Take a few moments to answer these. Let's summarize what we have learned today. A is used before consonant sounds. An is used before vowel sounds. The is used for specific or unique references. And pay attention to special cases based on pronunciation. Practice these rules consistently and you will master the use of articles in no time. Thank you for your active participation today. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next session. Bye.